Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Today I want to make a lantern out of trash. And coincidentally, most of the tools seem to be from the trash too. I couldn't find my tin snips, so we used some garden shears here. Piece of a coat hanger. We could use this, but this is the main part. An old fish can. Aluminium fish can. Whether it's steel, doesn't matter. A piece of wire. This is a bicycle spoke, but you can use a piece of copper wire. You find them in, well, when you tear down a building or something. It's very easy. And this is a self-made hole punch, but you can use a normal nail. So, let's just start out with a knife. Obviously, you need a knife. Got a candle. Let's put it in position where we want it to be. And let's make a little marking here. If we find a pen. Let's say about here. Just like this. Now let's cut a slit into it. The sharper your knife, the easier is this task, but normally even a dull knife should get it done. Just wiggle it a bit, and once you have a hole started, it is easy to cut. I try not to bend the can too much. Now we need another piece of a tin can. This used to be just a can of beans. I've used it for other projects. We measure how long it should be, like this, and we cut out our piece of it, like this. There's rusty garden shears here, but they work for metal surprisingly well. Yes, they do. Always make it a bit longer than you think you need it, because you can always shorten it down. But you can't make it longer again. That's not possible. At least not in the sense that we're talking here. Just cut it off. Like this. And there we go. Now, we take this and wrap it around our candle, just to get a perfect shape. Trying to bend it without getting too much kinks into it. So I can take the wood and use this now to shape it a bit more. Yeah. Now we put it to the holes. Let's make them a bit bigger. Like I said before, we can always make it bigger, but not smaller again. Almost. And you see, I'm doing this project in real time. Just so you see, there is not any editing magic at work. If I make a mistake, and make a mistake, then there will be a mistake. No editing out on this channel. So now we can put this here through the hole, just like this. Let's see if we get it through the hole. Get this a bit bigger. So nice. So now let's hold this down and pull on one side. Try to get it to look good. A bit further out. Excellent. Just like this. Now we can put a bit more on it, really get the shape down. Bend it a bit to the side and we cut it off. So it's lying flat. And so we have now a nice little holder so the candle doesn't fall out anymore. And the next step, we have to attach something to hang it. There are a few steps. If you hang it straight on a wall, you can just simply make a hole here to put it through a nail. But if you want to be able to carry it around, I recommend you to make the hole on the side, just about here. One on this side and one on the opposite side. So widen the hole a bit. Dropping it, like I said. Mistakes won't be edited out here. Perfect. And now we're going to the hole here. From the inside, because it's a spoke, it has a tip on the end. And then we just bend it. To get a neat bend into it, I recommend you to just take a round object and roughly follow the shape. But you can just hand bend it. It's a hobo lantern. It doesn't need to win too many beauty contests. But putting a bit of effort in it doesn't harm it either. You know, just getting it into a roughly nice shape like this. Yeah, just about this. And then we have to bend this part here, which obviously is easier if you have pliers, but you can do if you have a bit of finger strength. You can put it against the object, makes it easier. And just like this, it hooks in. Give it a bit more bend. A bit more. And there we go. It's hanging now. Nice, isn't it? But it's not finished yet. Because we want to be able to use this as a stand. So we can make another little bend into it. Just put a piece of board on it and bend it up a little bit. Or just use your finger straight. I should have used a pair of pliers, but then it wouldn't have been that easy. So now you're able to even stand it up a bit, but that's not the best thing. But we still can hang it like this. Yeah, we can now do another thing. If we have our old coat hanger, we could just make a hole on top of here, a bit of a larger hole, and use this to hang it. Just make the hole and take something to make it a bit bigger. Now we can hook this in. And there we go. Now we got it on a real hook. Doesn't look bad either, doesn't it? Yeah. Starts it so far. And we have to turn this around. I made it. I did bend it the wrong way around. Yeah, this can happen. Let's see if I have it hooked in this time the right way. So yeah. Still stands up on it. But we obviously can use it to hang it again. So, and here she is. You can carry her like this or just hang her up on the wall. This turned out beautiful. There's nothing like the light of a candle. You can take her off the hook. It's constructed in a way so it doesn't get hot on top. And she gives you a good amount of light. I mean, you can easily read with this amount of light. I really like it. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Well, I have some more candle lantern videos and other videos. So if you have enjoyed it, well, check them out. And if you like this stuff, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. So, thanks for watching. I'm now safe if there is a power outage again.